How you guys doing? So as I was mentioning it yesterday, I went to get some orchids, some edible orchids, and that's what I did. So let me show you which one I got. These are all edible, the flowers. You can use it as decoration, or you can use it as a garnish in drinks, or hi Shadow. Hi. And these are also edible dendrobiums. I believe that's the name, and these are all usable. I mean, am I going to use it like for eating? Probably not, because I love them so much just the way they are. Like I would have a hard time to eat them. But these are the ones that I got. You can see. And this too, this one and the white one, I got it from Home Depot, and they were with pots and everything $15.98. So this wasn't bad actually, considering that some of the pots can go up to close to $10, these pots, so it wasn't too bad. And this one without the air plants. I got the air plants yesterday also. You can see they're cute. These ones I also got it at Home Depot, and this was with the holder that I can just put it up on a tree. It was $29.98, which is not too terrible because look at how big are these orchids. They are very long. This is also the edible kind, Dendrodium. That's beautiful, and I can multiply these. You can see it here. So this was actually not a bad price, considering that I went to this orchid place, and you can see that this is what I got. There is not really like any pots in it, and there is a good amount of pops coming out though that I can propagate. This is $35 from a specialty store, specialty orchid place, and you can see this one is bigger, and this was about, I would say, $10. It comes down to $10 each orchid, And then because the pot it's about another 10 with the everything else, so it's much better than 35. It's a different color, and they had more varieties that other places don't have. But you can see this one, for example, this was a smaller one. This was without the pot, I just put it in the pot. This one is a $25 one, but it also gets pops that I can propagate possibly. And I really fall in love with this one. I mean, look at how beautiful this coloration. Look at how pretty. Look, but this was kind of expensive. It's a dendrobium purple NLB splash. It's a compact grower, but I mean, it's not cheap, that's for sure. And let me see. The other thing I got from Home Depot is this orchid, and it's a beautiful one. It's kind of like an angel. You see the wings, the dress. It's beautiful, but that's not why I got it. I didn't get it because of the orchid flower. But look at this plant. I don't know the name of this plant, but it kind of reminds me to Hoyas, but I don't think it's a Hoya, although I'm not sure. And I absolutely love the variegation on this plant, and it's very unique, very unique. You can see the new growth pushing out, but I fall in love. And there is this little holder. It's kind of cute also. I think this was around $25 at Home Depot. So Home Depot doesn't get bad prices. They have more like the regular orchids. They don't have nothing like I mean, they have some specialty, but they have kind of the regular colors. And I really fall in love with this Dan Airy Peach. I mean, this is so beautiful. You can see this color. And this is also dendrobium, and they are also can be used for decorating cakes, for eating, for, you know, I'm not going to eat it too, but you can use it for decoration and all that. This was also coming without like a nice spot, in just this one. And you can see there is a couple of pops on it, but definitely unique color. I really love this one. And these are actually ground orchids. It's a Epi Pink Cluster Flower 30. So you can see there is many coming out from these. You can see the air roots. And this is a Wedding Valley ground orchid, and it's gorgeous. It's so beautiful, I think. There's more flower. So now I have to plant these to the ground, and I get another one. This was also from the specialty store. It was about $15, I believe. And I really love this color and the way the orchid looks like. Look at how pretty. So yeah, this was around $15, but this one also didn't come with a pot. It was just in this little cup. But I had a pot from public, so I used that one up. But this is so pretty. I'm definitely gonna keep this one inside the house for a little bit so I can enjoy this beautiful cluster of flowers. So I told my husband that don't buy me flowers for a year or so. And I definitely had some buyer's remorse yesterday after I bought it, because it adds up quickly. And yeah, but it's like a drug addict. I mean, if you're watching this video, probably you're already addicted to plants and flowers and anything plants, really. So I had a really hard time to leave that place. And I'm definitely planning on propagating these, so hopefully, you know, it sound better the price, because I mean, they add up very quickly, like I said. But I don't buy many other things, like, you know, how some women are into shoes or purses or makeup or beauty salons. I'm into just the same way in plants. So I don't spend on other things much at all, but plants are my weakness. And you know it already if you watch this channel. Alrighty, guys. So which one is your favorite from the bunch of orchids? I think my favorite is the peach dendrobium, and I also absolutely love this one. It's just so delicate. I absolutely love it. But the peach, it's so unique. It's lovely. So let me know, what do you think? And don't judge me too much. I know I went crazy getting these, but yeah, I'm addicted. See you guys later. If you like the video, push a like and subscribe if you're already not. See you guys later with more plant videos. Bye. Have a great day.